So we're in Fresno, California. We just finished installing a Ream 50-gallon water heater. This was out of Hajoka, local plumbing supply house. Starting up top, we gave you new shutoff valves. It's required on the cold side. Sorry, there's no light up here. It's required on the cold side, not the hot, but we put one on here anyways. You've got 1-inch galvanized iron pipe coming out of the wall. Your whole house is iron pipe. And then, of course, before you had galvanized reducers on there, which is this fitting back here, this guy. So we use brass. Your house is galvanized iron pipe, but it doesn't flow very well and it breaks down. So we put brass in. So solid brass nipple and then a shutoff valve there, quarter turn on, quarter turn off, and which means this guy, quarter turn off and quarter turn on. So that's good. We did the same thing on both sides, so it's identical. Brass reducer, nipple, valve, and then another nipple right there. You can see that. These are Falcon stainless steel connectors. They're 3/4 inch inside diameter. They're the largest in the industry. They flow very well. They're very expensive, but that's what we use. That's what we like. That's what we use. And so with just a couple of 18-inch supply lines, pure stainless steel down to the tank. Just checking it for leaks right now. So everything looks good. Brand new vent pipe. So from here, just an adjustable 90. Brand new piece of pipe. Up to another adjustable 90, and then of course that's your sealing bucket up there, and that strap was already there, so we just reconnected it just to help kind of hold this up. You can smell gas in here, so I'm thinking it's from your furnace. And also you can see this copper line is green, which means it's corroding on the outside, not the inside, but the outside, because you've got gas leaking in here. I'd have PG&E come out and sniff this area. All of ours has been tested. We have a little sniffer that we use, so that guy tested, all that, all been tested, but it's a good indication right there when you've got something leaking. It's corroded right there. Plus I can smell gas in there right now. So anyways, I would just recommend getting PG&E out or take a look at it. Back to our installation. Up here we've got the relief valve comes with a water heater installed, so we just turn it to the side, a little short nipple, and then it's connected. Another Falcon stainless steel connector, and you can see right here, 3/4 inch inside diameter tube. Okay, so a lot of people would tell you, well, you can't use a corrugated connector because it's not big enough. These are full 3/4 inch. It's just like copper. This is like a piece of copper tubing, inside diameter, and then you got the corrugated is larger. That's why they're so big and beefy. So that's installed. Then CPVC pipe per code. Just a little male adapter over to 90. I can't get back in there and take a picture. There it is over there. You can see the pipe. Back in there's a 90, and then it drops down to there. Can't really see it either. Back in there, 90's out, and then right there you can see 90's down and a little nipple. 6 inches to 24 is the code on this, so we're about 18 inches off the ground. That's code. And then we just take some pure 100% white silicone, filled the hole. You had to drill a hole through there. Otherwise, what we've got is the old water heater. It came over here. It had a T and then a hose bib, and the hose went up and over. And that's not the way it's supposed to be. And since we can get it out, we did put it in, no extra charge. So that's good. Upper third, adjustable strap. Lower third, adjustable strap. Gas line, we give you a T, a bullhead T right there, and then a drip leg. And then, of course, a brand new valve. Then a brand new 36-inch gas connector. This will flow 70 to 75,000 BTU. I can't remember which one. So brand new gas connector down to the control valve. That comes with it. So we've filled water's full, bled all the air out. Burner's on right now, so about 2 hours you're gonna have hot water. And if you want to go to Ream and register this, you can do that right here. You've got the model number and the serial number. So you'll go to ream.com, register a product, give them that information, full name, street address, all that, all those details, and get your warranty going. Monitor this. Occasionally come out here, open these doors and take a look in here. We opened it up, we could smell gas. That's one thing. PG&E can come out and take a look at that. But also you want to take a look and see if there's any water. Up here is critical. Anything up here, if any moisture whatsoever, whether it's just barely weeping, not even a drip, but just water weeping a little or dripping, we want to know, because we want to get out here and take care of it. Once the water heater starts firing and you start using it after a period of time, you could get weeping out of here. We get them pretty tight. You can't over tighten them, but just check it occasionally and let us know. We'll come out and maintain that. That's part of our warranty. But you know, unless someone comes out here and works on it, then you know your warranty's void. So 1 year, 1 year labor, 6 years parts on this tank, right from Rheem. And anyways, everything here looks good. Outside of that, this installation is done.